Hello world, what's up 290? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own supposed ghost sighting video. Like videos you see on YouTube or on the internet where someone films a ghost figure, a transparent figure walks across the video. I'm going to be showing you how to create that effect using basic CGI and Adobe Creative Cloud. Specifically, we're going to be using Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So first things first, you're going to need the video recording of the area where you want those to appear. Then you're going to need a picture of a person. First thing you're going to do is create a new Photoshop project and drag and drop the picture of the person you just put into the Photoshop project. Then what we're going to do is create a new version of that picture that doesn't have a background, so we can import that into the video. We can do that just using the last tool here, as I'm about to show you. Just drag the photo in, and then size it how you want here. Then click the lasso tool. What you're going to want to do is use your mouse and make a circle around the person, like I'm doing here with the ghost here. Made a mistake there. Make the circle, and then a copy. Then create a new layer. And what we're going to do is paste what we copied in the layer. Doesn't matter what you call it. Turn off the visibility on the other two layers other than the one we just made. Then go edit paste. Now we've got Photoshop. Now we just export this as a PNG file. Do as I do. Remember what you save it as because we have to import it into Premiere Pro. And then there's photo. So our Photoshop work is done. Now what you're going to want to do is open Premiere Pro and start new project. Then drag the video recording of the area where you want the ghost to appear into your timeline line. Then you also want to import the photo you just exported from Photoshop. Place the photo in the timeline where on the video you want the ghost to appear. Then what we're going to want to do is make it transparent. Add the brightness and contrast effect as I do here. Then adjust brightness and contrast until it's as transparent as you want it to be. Then we're going to adjust the size. Add the transform effect as I do here. Then edit the scale to change the size of the image. And there you go. There's our transparent figure. We're going to do a basic animation now of it walking around. So click the stopwatch and then edit the numbers I just edited there to set a keyframe where the ghost will walk. Then what you're going to want to do is edit the value on the right to where you to where it's in the position where you want it to stop moving, and then it'll automatically add another keyframe. So there's an animation or transparent figure moving across the screen. Next, what we're going to do is add the effect where it'll fade in and out. We can do this using the dissolve effect I'm about to add in. So watch the right panel. The dissolve effect I select here, add it to both the beginning and end of the photo layer, so that this way it'll both fade in and out. And there you go. So you'll have to avoid these effects to where it's convincing to where you want it to be. Let's watch that view a few times. And there you go. There's our basic video. Now, if you want to add a sound effect like a scream or something, that's very simple to do. All you have to do is just drag the audio file into your timeline in Premiere Pro, and it'll be added in where you want it to be added in, based on where you put it in the timeline. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is what's up 290, and I'm signing off.